Sure, here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone covering the 2025 Nokia 235, structured with a warm intro, details on features, design, and a clear conclusion, all within 800 words, Welcome to FK iPhone, the channel where we dive into phones that stand out in a world full of glass slabs and never-ending updates. Today, we're looking at a device that brings back a wave of nostalgia while still offering enough modern touches to keep it relevant. This is the 2025 Nokia 235, and trust me, it's more interesting than you might think. Let's start with what this phone is all about. The Nokia 235 is a feature phone, not a smartphone. But that doesn't mean it's dumb. It's built for a specific purpose, and that's to give you solid performance, long battery life, and a classic mobile experience without the distractions of social media overload. It's ideal for people who want a secondary phone, or those who just want a break from the constant buzzing and pinging of modern devices. Now, even though it's a feature phone, Nokia has put some serious thought into the hardware. First up is the screen. You get a bright and clear display that's perfect for reading messages, browsing through your contact list, or even using some basic apps. It's not a touch screen, but navigation is easy and satisfying thanks to the traditional keypad. Speaking of the keypad, it's probably one of the most iconic parts of the Nokia 235. Tactile, responsive, and super reliable. Typing out texts feels great, and for those who've never used T9 predictive text, it's surprisingly fast once you get the hang of it. One standout feature here is the battery life. In a world where smartphones struggle to last a day, the Nokia 235 can go multiple days on a single charge. We're talking real standby time here. You don't need to carry a charger everywhere or worry about topping it up at lunch. It's a power-efficient beast, and that's a huge selling point. Now, let's talk about the camera. The Nokia 235 includes a basic rear camera that's perfect for capturing quick moments. Don't expect professional-level shots, but it gets the job done for casual snaps. There's also an LED flash that doubles as a torch, which is always handy in a pinch. On the software side, you get a clean and functional OS built for simplicity. No Android, no iOS, just a smooth running interface that boots up fast and never lags. There's support for basic apps like the FM radio, calculator, calendar, and even a few games. Yes, Snake is back, and yes, it's still as addictive as ever. You also get support for 4G connectivity. That means faster calls, better voice quality, and the ability to use some lightweight web features. There's also Bluetooth support for connecting headphones or transferring files, and even a micro SD card slot so you can load it up with your favorite music or expand the internal storage. Let's move to the exterior now. The Nokia 235 is built with that classic candy-bar shape we all remember. It's compact, pocketable, and feels sturdy in the hand. No glass back, no slippery edges, just a grippy texture that makes it ideal for daily use. It's the kind of phone you can drop without breaking into a panic. Color options are simple yet stylish. Nokia has gone for clean, modern tones that appeal to both younger users who want something retro and older users who want something familiar. The build quality is impressive for a device in this category, with solid buttons and a tough plastic shell that can take a few hits without any issues. Holding the Nokia 235 feels like holding a piece of tech history, but with just enough modern flavor to make it practical in 2025. It doesn't try to compete with flagships. Instead, It carves out its own space for people who want a reliable phone that does the basics well. In conclusion, the Nokia 235 is not here to replace your iPhone or Android device. It's here to offer a smarter alternative to being constantly connected. It's perfect as a backup phone, a travel companion, or even a main device if you're done with the smartphone craze. With great battery life, a durable design, and just enough smart features, the Nokia 235 is proof that sometimes less is more. If you're looking for something simple, solid, and refreshingly different in a sea of overcomplicated tech, the Nokia 235 might just be the phone you didn't know you needed. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more real talk on real phones, and let me know in the comments what you think about the return of the feature phone life. See you in the next one. Would you like a shorter version of the script for a YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reel?